Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So this time we started up from the bottom, so I mean from the hourly chart and up to the higher time frames, because actually the hourly chart is the last thing that we have discussed on Monday. And here actually the only miss that we have made is that actually we thought that market could retest the 59.50 area as it stands in the headline of our update on the trading view resource. So because actually after strong collapse, guys, when we market was starting to form the flag, we had uncompleted XOP target right there. And actually all the following performance here is coming due a few events. And first of all, as you know, this is recent statistics, which is showed, at least official numbers shows the weaker inflation. So inflation is stabilizing, and that also support non-interest bearing assets as Bitcoin, triggering demand. Second, this is definitely big headwinds for Ether ETFs, and which is actually increased the demand for major rival of the Ether, which is Bitcoin, of course. And actually they really big chances that Security and Exchange Commission will qualify the Ether as a paper, not as a commodity, but as a stock paper, so making equal to the shares, which really put it absolutely in a different regulation level compared to the Bitcoin ETF. So that also supports the performance of the Bitcoin market in the short term. So, but in general, this 59.50, it was just a minor tactical moment in our big setup, which is bullish. So once the upward action started, immediately you can see the hand shorts pattern has been formed, and market already has completed its minimum target. So not the minimum target, of course, it's major target. It's around XOP 66.50 target is mostly done. At the same time, you can see that the upward action stands really fast. And now we're going to our major pattern that we were considering and were trading in the last few weeks. This is big hand and shoulders. Actually, all the things that we talked about, 59.50, 59.50 right here, it was just an attempt to catch the precise points of the possible upward reversal. That's what we have discussed in the last update. But in general, you can see that a setup that we're considering is working nice and started really perfect. Right at the bottom of the right arm, this was actually in agreement with the left shoulder. Now, as you can see, a major target of this pattern stands around 69.15. It's right there, which is the OP. Why this is major target? First of all, because this hand shoulders. Second, if you take a look at the daily chart, recall what we talked about this pattern. This is actually engulfing pattern. Engulfing pattern, as a rule, has the AB equals CD shape on the lower time frame, which we have right there. This is AB equals CD target, and in our circumstances, this is also takes the shape of the hand shoulders. That's why chances to reach 69.15 looks really significant. Next thing that we need to consider is what will happen after that. Why? Because this has the direct relation to the pattern that we have on the monthly chart. Recall that on the monthly chart we have also bearish engulfing, which as the daily pattern also could take the AB equals CD shape, but this time on the weekly time frame, right? Because we have on the monthly. And this upward action might be or might not be the BC leg of the potential pattern. So AB leg already stands in place, which is action down. It's better to see on the weekly chart. So actually this will be AB leg, right? Now we stand in a BC leg, which should be over if we suggest the proper action on this pattern, and then we should get the CD equal area right to the 50 even. So this is actually explains why we talked about a 50 even area as a potential target of the retracement, as in our recent fundamental report, as in our daily weekly updates in the technical reports. And currently, as you understand, the major question is whether market will stop around 69 or it will keep going higher, because with the upper continuation and breaking this resistance, moving above the 70 even, about 69, 70, in this case market will keep going to the XOP target, which is stand around 74, 74. And in this case, our monthly pattern around 74, 74 will not become more engulfing, because it will be erased, because 74, 74 stands above this high. And instead of the bearish engulfing, it starts looking like, right, you got it. So it will be a kind of the flag consolidation, which turns absolutely in a different direction. Now it is bearish, but if market returns back up to the top, it will become bullish. That explains why it's so vital and important what will happen around 69 area. So if you have, now we do not consider the short position, of course. So if you have long position grabbers, by the way, that we have identified, has worked perfect. So those of you who have taken position with the grabbers, placing slightly extended stop, have appeared to be in the best situation. So you can see now we're watching for 69.15. This is narrowest target. There you will have to decide what to do with the long position, whether to keep it, to close it, or to keep it partially. Just manage your risk and make the decision. Next target will be, if market will break this level and keep going higher, will be 74, 74. It's around the previous stop. These stops will be challenged. So if market will fail to break this area and stop around 69.15, turning down again, this will keep monthly bearish pattern valid. So that's what we intend to understand right now. So that being said, you could keep long position until the target will be completed, and then we start watching for reaction around 69 area. Actually, it will be some kind of an agreement, 67, 69. So here we will see what will happen.